Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. We are learning 4th lesson Dvau Dve. Let's continue with the last part of this lesson 4.3 Ete and Te. After lesson we will study remaining exercise of the Bhashabhyasah. 4.3 Ete and te. Ete means these two for neuter gender and te for those two for neuter gender. Let's start the lesson. Ete vahane. Ete gachatah. Ke gachatah. Ete vahane gachatah. Ete. These two for neuter gender. It is Napusakalinga Dvivachan Sarvanam. Neuter dual form pronoun. Ete vahane. These are two vehicles. Vahane means two vehicles. Ete gachatah. These two are going. Gachatah means two are going. Gachatah is a dual form of gachati. Ete is a dual form of etat. Ke gachatah. What two are going? Ke is a dual form of kim. Ke means what two. What two are going? Ete vahane gachatah. These two vehicles are going. Ete vahane means these two vehicles. Now for te. Te means those two for neuter gender. Te pushpe. Te vikasatah. Ke vikasatah. Te pushpe vikasatah. Te. It is a Napusakalinga Dvivachan Sarvanam. Neuter dual form pronoun. Te pushpe. Those are two flowers. Pushpe is a dual form of pushpam and meaning two flowers. Te is a dual form of tat. Te vikasatah. Those two are blooming. Vikasatah is a dual form of vikasati, means blooming, and vikasatah means two are blooming. Ke vikasatah. What two are blooming? Again ke. Ke is a dual form of kim, Napusakalinga, and meaning what two? Te pushpe vikasatah, meaning those two flowers are blooming. So we have studied ekvachan of all the genders, then we studied bahuvachan of all the genders, and today we have finished dvivachan of all the genders. Let's see how we can say sarvanam and nam of neuter genders in all the vachan. Napusakalinga. Napusakalinga sarvanam. Ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. Etat, ete, etani. Ekvachan is etat, Napusakalinga. Dvivachan, ete, and bahuvachan bhavati etani. Tat, te, tani. Kim, ke, kani. You have to say all together. Etat, ete, etani. Tat, te, tani. Kim, ke, kani. Now for nama. Napusakalinga nama. Ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. Vahanam, vahane, vahanani. Vahanam becomes vahane in dvivachan and vahanani in bahuvachan. Pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Apatyam, apatye, apatyani. Apatyam means a baby. Apatya means two babies and apatyani means more than two babies. Vyajanam, vyajane, vyajanani. Vyajanam means a fan. Vyajane means two fans and vyajanani means more than two fans. Patram, patre, patrani. Patram means a leaf. Patre means 2 leaves and patrani means more than 2 leaves. Let us see some more kriya padani. Ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. Gacchati, gachatah, gachanti. Gacchati means going. Gachatah means 2 are going and gachanti means more than 2 are going. Vikasati, vikasatah, vikasanti. Hasati, hasatah, hasanti. Bhramati, भ्रमतः, भ्रमन्ति. Bhramati means revolving or roaming. Patati, patatah, patanti. Patati means falling. Tishtati, tishtatah, tishtanti. Tishtati means waiting. So we will study now exercise number 2 of this lesson. Bhashabhyasah melanam kuruta. Ekvachan, dvivachan. Here in first column they have given ekvachan and in second column dvivachan. Griham. So its dvivachan becomes grihe. So you have to match griham with grihe. Then tat. Its dvivachan becomes te. So you have to match tat with te. Patram. Its dvivachan becomes patre. Pustakam. Its dvivachan becomes pustake. So this way you have to match the columns. In this third exercise, Chitrani alikhata. Alikhata means draw. Draw the pictures. First is Kamale vikasatah. You have to show 2 lotuses blooming. Second, Nauke taratah. 2 boats floating. Singhau garjatah. 2 lions with opened mouth. Mayurau nrityatah. 2 dancing peacocks. Meghau varshatah. 2 showering clouds. Phale patatah. 2 fruits which are falling from the tree. This way draw all these drawings. So this way chapter number 4 Dvau Dve Dve is over with Bhashabhyasah. So far you are familiar with many words of all the genders and also verbs. So practice framing more and more sentences using them. Remember, when you use naam or sarvanam of any vachan, you have to use the same vachan of kriyapad or verb. Links to all the previous videos is given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. My channel name is Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. पुनः मिलामः. धन्यवादः.